Imagine stories whispered around crackling fires under a starry night sky. These are the stories of Native American tribes passed down through generations, carrying ancient wisdom and magic. Join us on a journey into the world of Native American legends and symbols where animals talk, dreams take flight, and nature holds deep secrets. Get ready to discover the wonders of Native American lore. Long ago, Native American tribes lived in harmony with nature. They observed the world around them, the animals, the plants, and the changing seasons. From these observations, they created stories and symbols that explain the mysteries of life. These stories teach us important lessons about courage, kindness, and respect for the natural world. They also remind us of the magic that exists all around us, if only we open our eyes and hearts to see it. Let the magic of these ancient tales guide you on a journey of discovery and wonder. Come with us as we explore 2 fascinating legends and 3 powerful symbols. Get ready to embark on a magical adventure. The Dreamcatcher, a beautiful web woven within a circle, is more than just a decoration. It's a powerful symbol of protection and hope. Imagine a spider web catching bad dreams, letting only the good ones slip through to the sleeping child below. According to legend, a wise old grandmother, known as Asibikashi, wanted to protect her people from bad dreams and nightmares. She created the first Dreamcatcher, a circular web woven with strong fibers and decorated with sacred feathers and beads. She hung it above the cradles of babies, ensuring they would only dream of good things. The circle of the Dreamcatcher represents the circle of life, the continuous journey of the sun and moon across the sky, and the interconnectedness of all things. As the sun rises, the bad dreams caught in the web disappear, leaving only good thoughts and peaceful feelings. The Dreamcatcher is a reminder that even in darkness, there is always light. It teaches us that we have the power to choose what we focus on, to let go of negativity, and to embrace the beauty of our dreams. Listen to this Native American story about a tale of patience. Long ago, when the world was young, bears had long, bushy tails, much like foxes. One winter, a boastful bear decided to show off his fishing skills. He bragged to the other animals that he could catch more fish than anyone else, even in the frozen lake. The bear cut a hole in the thick ice and dipped his long tail into the freezing water, using it as bait to attract the fish. He waited impatiently, imagining a feast of delicious fish. Time passed slowly, and the bear's tail became numb with cold. Still, he refused to give up, convinced he would catch the biggest fish ever. Suddenly, he felt a tug. Excited, the bear pulled with all his might, but the ice had frozen around his tail, trapping it firmly. With a loud crack, the ice broke and the bear was free, but his long bushy tail remained stuck in the frozen lake. From that day on, bears have short tails, a reminder of the importance of patience and the dangers of greed. Feathers, light and airy, hold deep meaning in Native American cultures. They represent honor, strength, power, and a connection to the spiritual realm. Each feather carries the spirit of the bird it came from, symbolizing the bird's unique qualities and strengths. Think of an eagle feather, representing power and leadership, soaring high above the earth. Feathers are often used in ceremonies and dances, adorning headdresses and regalia. They symbolize the wearer's connection to the spirit world and their achievements. A feather given as a gift is a sign of respect and honor. It's like receiving a piece of the sky, a reminder of the beauty and freedom of the natural world. Different colored feathers hold different meanings. A white feather symbolizes purity and peace, while a red feather represents courage and strength. Feathers remind us that we are all connected, just like the birds that soar through the sky. We are all part of something bigger than ourselves. The arrow, a swift and purposeful projectile, symbolizes direction, focus, and achieving goals. Imagine an arrow soaring through the air, aimed at a specific target. This represents our own journey through life, pursuing our dreams and aspirations with determination. The arrow reminds us to stay focused on our path, even when faced with challenges. In Native American cultures, the arrow has a strong connection to hunting and protection. It represents the skills and courage needed to provide for one's family and defend one's community. The arrow is not just a weapon. It's a symbol of survival, resilience, and the ability to overcome obstacles. The arrow's straight and narrow shape symbolizes focus and determination. It reminds us to keep our eyes on the prize, to persevere through difficulties, and to never give up on our dreams. By setting clear intentions and focusing our energy, we can achieve our goals and live a life filled with purpose and meaning. Here's another Native American fable, The turtle, with its slow and steady movements and protective shell, is a symbol of Mother Earth, longevity, and wisdom. Imagine the turtle carrying the world on its back, a symbol of strength, resilience, and the interconnectedness of all living things. The turtle teaches us to move through life with patience and grace, embracing the journey rather than rushing to the destination. In many Native American creation stories, the turtle plays a central role. It is often depicted as the creature that brought the earth up from the waters, providing a home for all living beings. The turtle's shell represents protection and grounding, a safe haven from the storms of life. The turtle's long lifespan symbolizes wisdom and knowledge gained through experience. It reminds us that learning is a lifelong journey, and that true wisdom comes from observing, listening, and respecting the world around us. The turtle teaches us to slow down, to appreciate the present moment, and to find peace in the stillness. Did you know that lacrosse, a fast-paced and exciting sport played today, originated as a Native American game called stickball? Tribes would play stickball on large fields, sometimes with hundreds of players on each team. Fry bread, a delicious and fluffy treat, is a traditional Native American food made from simple ingredients like flour, water, and lard. It can be eaten plain or topped with sweet or savory ingredients. Fry bread is a symbol of resilience and resourcefulness, originating from a time when Native American tribes had limited access to traditional foods. Native American art is incredibly diverse and beautiful, reflecting the unique traditions and beliefs of different tribes. From intricate beadwork and colorful pottery to elaborate headdresses and totem poles, Native American art tells stories, honors ancestors, and celebrates the beauty of the natural world. Many Native American tribes use storytelling as a way to teach children important lessons about their culture, history, and values. Learning about Native American cultures is a journey of discovery and respect. These cultures are rich with traditions, stories, and beliefs that have been passed down through generations. By learning about these cultures, we can gain a deeper understanding of the history and heritage of this land and its people. It's important to approach learning about Native American cultures with respect and sensitivity. These are living cultures, not just stories from the past. We should always seek out accurate information and avoid stereotypes. Learning from authentic sources like Native American authors, artists, and storytellers is the best way to honor and appreciate these traditions. One way to show respect is by using appropriate language. Refer to Native American people by their specific tribal affiliations whenever possible. Avoid using generic terms that lump all tribes together, as each tribe has its own unique identity and customs. As our journey into the world of Native American legends and symbols comes to a close, remember that these stories and symbols hold deep meaning and wisdom. They connect us to the earth, the sky, and the spirit world. They teach us about courage, kindness, respect, and the importance of living in harmony with nature. The legends of the Dreamcatcher and the bear's lost tail, along with the symbols of the feather, arrow, and turtle, are just a glimpse into the rich tapestry of Native American cultures. There are countless other stories and symbols waiting to be discovered. We encourage you to continue exploring, learning, and appreciating the diverse cultures of Native American tribes. This is not the end of our journey, it's just the beginning. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to this channel. Until next time.